How does the value proposition match the workshop offering? Flight Levels is a lightweight and cost-effective approach that, in one hand, enables organization-wide collaboration, and on the other hand, makes strategy happen. That is the value proposition of Flight Levels. We often get asked, how does this value proposition map to the workshops you offer? What workshop shall I attend if I'm interested in certain aspects of your value proposition? Well, that's quite easy to answer. First, Flight Levels is lightweight and cost-effective. This is handled in our Flight Levels Change Leadership Workshop, where we guide companies in transitioning to better business outcomes with the help of Flight Levels. The iterative nature of the transition flow makes Flight Levels extremely lightweight and orders of magnitude cheaper than Agile frameworks and methods. Flight Levels works on organization-wide collaboration. It's something we handle intensively in the Flight Level Systems Architecture Workshop when figuring out what flight level systems a company needs and how to connect them. Equally crucial for organization-wide collaboration is the Flight Level 2 design, where you learn to establish the actual collaboration across silos, teams, departments, products, etc. And Flight Levels makes strategy happen. This is the main focus of our Flight Level 3 design workshop. You also need knowledge of the Flight Level 2 design, because without a well-established FL2 system that establishes cross-silo delivery capabilities, executing the strategy won't work in larger companies. Don't wait any longer to elevate your organization's performance. Choose the right workshop for your needs and secure your spot today. Visit our web to learn more and let's ascend to new heights of success together.